A mysterious artifact catches the attention of a young explorer. The ancient treasure whispers of untold powers waiting to be unleashed. The realization of possibilities dawns on the seeker's face, fueling dreams yet unspoken. The sun rises on a world where words hold the key to understanding beyond borders. The morning brings a cruel twist of fate, silencing the eager voice with incomprehensible gibberish. The traveler prepares for a quest to undo the tangled web of unintended consequences, heart set on redemption. The vibrant chaos of a new world beckons, promising lessons beyond the confines of words. Beneath the laughter and shared flavors, bridges of understanding span across cultures, binding hearts in unity. Through the lens of a storyteller's eye, cultural treasures unfold in snapshots of time frozen, preserving heritage in pixels. Across digital waves, a beacon of enlightenment shines bright, guiding seekers towards the shores of empathy and acceptance. A ripple of inspiration spreads far and wide, weaving threads of connection that transcend the barriers of language and distance. As constellations dance above, a silent vow whispers in the wind, carrying the legacy of unity forged in the fires of exploration.